Hello, folks. Wally back here to give you reasoning on two stocks today, Bank of Baroda and Punjab National Bank. So, these are the two PSU biggies that we have in India, apart from, of course, the leader of the pack, which is SBI. So, as you can see over the years now, the whole PSU pack has been underperforming owing to the rise in NPAs. So, first was PNB, which started crashing down and came all the way from 130 levels to 2025 levels. Baroda followed suit. Baroda didn't actually crash and as such doesn't have any negative news flow of some big NPAs, but yeah, they do have NPAs. They do have exposure to ADAG pack. They do have given loans to Malia and so on and so forth. So of course, when one goes down, when one stock, one rotten grape or rotten egg spoils the whole pack. So after the PNB debacle, I believe Baroda was the next. Baroda and all the other banks actually, IDBI, Central Bank of India, all started trading at like all-time lows actually. If I put up an all-time chart, let's just have a quick chart check here, an all-time chart, and yeah, you see it went down all the way to the Lehman crash of 2009. So yeah, what do you do with these stocks now? See, if you see the PE very high, book value again is like reasonably trading. I mean, and the industry P is this thing 14. So I don't see much in the financials or valuation. Let me check the financials and how this stock is doing. We do a quick financial check and yeah, let's talk about the profit margins first. Yeah, so quarter on quarter you see here there are huge losses piling up. Yeah, but then yeah, this quarter it has given a bit of a turnaround. Yeah, I see. So yeah. Mm, still not out of the doldrums as such. We got to wait out for a few quarters and look whether the profit comes back on track. And let us look at the other important figure, which is the NPAs. Yeah, this also looks a bit promising quarter on quarter. So yeah, out of the two, I think I need to discuss about PNB as well. But this looks like slowly it is turning around the corner. I mean, it's like turning a page, if I should say it that way. I believe we got to watch for another quarter, and if things start looking better, then I'm sure we can initiate a buy. It's better to wait out. It's better to wait out than enter now. And anyways, the market is a bit high, so we are expecting a bit of a cooling off after it hits the 11,000 mark. So yeah, you can wait out for Baroda. Now let's talk about PNB. The PNB never really recovered after the big Nirav Modi scam. You see, in fact, PNB was bigger than Bank of Baroda, and all over North they have like huge branches. So all the way from 200 to the lows of 26. Yeah, but now again has turned a bit and is trading at 35, 36 levels. So PE and all very high. I mean, yeah, it's fairly priced when it compares to the book value as well. So clearly BOB looks the better bet amongst these two. Well, let's have a quick look at the financials now. Mm-hmm. Yeah, so looking at the financials, interest earned is more, profit declining, net profit declining, and the NPAs. Okay, yeah. So the slightest of slight improvement. The same, pretty much. But I'd say Bank of Baroda would be the better bet for any day. So, folks, hope you liked the video. And like I said, frankly speaking, I don't recommend any of the stocks. But yes, if you want to hold on to them, you can look for a turnaround in the coming quarters and then exit at minimal loss, or even if you get and invest in better shares which have good return on equity, which have good price to earnings, and which have showing consistent profit and increase in revenue rather than investing in PSUs.